Hello all, this is Siddharth and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is 11th video of the series R programming language. As you can see it here, I have already created 10 videos. So if you haven't watched these videos, then I will request you to please watch the video and then proceed further. So this is the 11th video of this series, and in this video we will talk about how we can read data from files like CSV file or text file or Excel file. So let us jump to our RStudio and do the coding here. So first of all, we will see that how we can read the data from a text file. So for that, we will first have to store the text file in some variable, and I will be storing it in the variable that is data, and will assign this data and use the method that is read table. So read table is an inbuilt method which is widely used to retrieve the text data. So under the read table we will have to provide the path where we will have to provide the path, sorry. So for providing the path, we will go here and you can see it, our file is somewhere here, sample.txt. So we will use this file, so we will have to copy this path. I have copied this path and just go here in RStudio and just paste the path. With also you have to add one more this sign, and we will add one more sign, and then we will provide our path a name of the file, that is sample.txt. And after that, if we will just print our file, then let us see what it is giving. So you can see it here that we are getting what is written in this text file. So first of all, let me show you what is written in the text file. So you can see that the same thing is written in the text file, but one thing here is notable is that you can see that every word is having column. So v1 is having hello, v2 is having this, v3 is having is, v4 is having demo. So it is, it understand it as a tabular data and then store all the values in columns. So as you can see it here, so after that, after knowing that how we can store or read tabular data or text data, now let us understand how we can retrieve or read the data from CSV file. So for that, first of all, we will make a variable data.csv to store that particular file, and we'll have to use the command that is read CSV. So we will use the command read CSV, and under the particular thing we will have to provide the path. So for that I will just copy this only, and I will copy this and will paste it here, and will edit this. And here which file we will take, let us see that. So here we will take toyota.csv. So for toyota.csv we will simply write here toyota.csv. So all is okay now. And now first we will have to print this particular thing. So first we will just copy it and then we will paste it here. And now if we will run it, then we can see that we are getting the values. You can see that we are getting all the values. You can see we are getting nan values are also there. So we are getting nan value as well, and you can see that we are getting all the values that are present in tabular data from here. That is x, price, age, kilometer, fuel type, HP, horsepower, all the things we are getting through tabular data. So through this method only we can read the CSV file. So these two are the particular and widely used method in R through which we can use the read the dataset. We can read the dataset with the help of these two methods. So this is all in this video. In the next video we will talk about vectorized operation. Thank you and happy learning.